Teresa Ward, and do you have kids? If you do, then you must have sticky wood handrails. And that means you need to be careful on how you clean your handrails safely while maintaining that shiny finished wood look. You can go to your local all-natural store to find useful items to clean with and be environmentally friendly at the same time. Here's a quick tip on how to clean sticky wood stair handrails. This is what you will need: coconut oil or mineral oil, baking soda, 2 microfiber cloths. Using 1 part mineral oil / coconut oil and 1 part baking soda, make a paste or toothpaste consistency. Apply with a dampened microfiber cloth to sticky area in circular motions until sticky area is gone. Remove remaining residue with a damp microfiber cloth. Thanks for hanging out with Long Island's home cleaning experts, Teresa's Family Cleaning. We hope these tips make your home clean. And remember, our reputation is spotless.